So that's the case scenario. I use the Ortho 3D software for navigation developed by Dr. Manisha Ahmedabad. We are collaborating on the shoulder, which is the primitive stage which has to be developed more. But we tried with the glenoid guide as well as hologram. So that's the patient, 86-year-old lady, advanced glenohumeral arthritis, rotator cuff degenerative tear, very painful, stiff shoulder, neck pain. Flexion, abduction is limited to around 50 degrees, weak cough. So that is the MRI, and that's the CT scan. So there we do the pre-op plan in a 3D CT. So that is the registering the landmark, anterior, superior, posterior, glenoid borders, coracoid and acromion, you mark it. But you have to remember the navigation still has to be improved because it is at a deeper plane rather than like a knee. So this is your landmark all saved. And then you get the glenoid base plate. You can increase, decrease the size, position it. And it also, it'll give an impression about how much glenoid you are taking. You can also plan the screw trajectory. And the jig available can be used as well for calculation. So that is me doing the scapular marker on the coracoid. And that is mapping on the glenoid. So what I would see would be literally like this, like a hologram guide of the glenoid base plate so that I can direct. So this is the reaming with the holovision, which is both this headset as well as the real eyes combined. And this is what you get. After this particular step, then rest of it is the classical shoulder, reverse shoulder arthroplasty operation, which of course important 75 to 80% for success. So that's the base plate, glenosphere, regular routine steps of poly, liner, shoulder is reduced. But you look at the alignment of the post-op, it looks perfect, spot on with regard to glenoid tilt and retroversion. So that is the patient outcome. Immediate post-operative, as I told, I always do this for each and every patient to check the stability after my reverse shoulder, and as well as the full abduction rotation, and as well as X-ray screening to make sure it is stable. So that is the patient. She's a singer and she's happy, comfortable sitting, 5th day post-operative, singing her classical songs. And that is her, reviewed last week at 1 month follow-up. This case was done 1 month ago. So that is the range of active flexion and abduction and easy use of the hand as a follow-up. So to summarize, reverse shoulder arthroplasty is the most innovative surgery to help shoulder patients. Success depends on patient selection, surgeon skill, and as well as infrastructure. But whatever you plan should be executed precisely as per plan for increasing longevity and reducing complication. 3D CT plan, PSA guide, navigation, robotics, mixed reality are all part of the ornamentorium we should employ. Thank you. Thank you for the opportunity.